In some cases, you may need to have Mailchimp integrate with a system that you are using, but you don't see it among those that Mailchimp integrates with directly. When that is the case, you'll need to look for third-party cloud-based connectors, and Mailchimp works with 3. One is Zapier, which is the oldest and perhaps the most well-known, but there is also Automate.io as well as Workato. And in order to determine if the application that you work with works with either of these 3 automated workflows, then you'll need to do a simple search using your favorite search engine. Doing that will typically show you what Mailchimp integrates with and whether the application that you're using works together with Mailchimp. And you can do the same thing with Automate.io as well as Workato. So what you'll want to do is to determine which integration system you're going to work with, and then which cloud-based connectors you need in order to work with Mailchimp. And then you'll want to find out, using a search engine, how they fit together. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.